Hi neighbors, is this the beautiful bouquet of flowers or what? I just got these off from my squash plant. Yeah, these are squash blossoms. You can pick pumpkin blossoms, zucchini blossoms, acorn squash blossoms, Hubbard squash, banana squash, any of those squashes, the bigger the better. So if you have a larger squash, those are fantastic. But aren't these beauties gorgeous? And I picked a bunch of them this morning early, and I'm gonna leave a few for the bees because we want them to be happy as well. And I'm gonna take you inside and show you what I do as a Midwestern treat that I grew up with eating as a child, and most Midwesterners know about this little secret. It's a yummy, yummy treat in the summertime to add to your meals or just by themselves. And anyway, this is my container of squash. Yep, I've been talking about container gardening, raised gardening, and here we are. So hang out, and those bees are really going at it this morning. Hang out with me, and I'm going to show you how to make a yummy Midwestern treat called pumpkin blossoms. So welcome to my kitchen sink. I'm going to show you what to do with the squash blossoms now that we have them in the house. So first of all, I'm going to just put a little bit of water inside, like a little cup. You can see it's coming out. It's just going to rinse out everything. I'm going to rinse the outside. And then we have this bottom part here with all of the sticky. I'm just going to pull that right off. Out comes the stem. Then we have the inside of our blossom, just like so. Now, if I discover that I don't have quite enough squash blossoms from the first picking, these can hold over in the refrigerator for a day. And what I do is I don't take the moisture off of the blossom. I take a Ziploc baggie, insert a paper towel like so, and I begin laying them on in a flat layer on inside of my baggie on that paper towel. That paper towel is going to absorb the moisture a little bit and also keep moisture in there. And you'll have some blossoms for the next day as well to add to the ones you pick, and then you'll be ready to dredge those into your egg and cracker crumb. Alrighty, I've turned the camera around and we're ready to prepare some squash blossoms. So what we're going to do is take 2 ingredients. Whipped up egg, there's nothing in it but egg, and you whip it, you'll notice you see the air bubbles. You don't want it to be thick, you want it to be super thin. Whip it like you're going to do your scrambled eggs. You don't want any pull on that when you pull it out, and you want lots of bubbles in there. It needs to be thin. And then I use cracker crumbs. It can be Ritz or Keebler Club crackers. Either one of those two are best, and they'll give you the most flavor. Now, I'm going to dip the flour into the egg. Before you do this, you can add a little mozzarella inside of your flour if you'd like, and I'm going to put that in there just like that. Get it all covered, and then I'm going to drop it into my pan, and shallow oil. Sorry about that. And it's going to cook on each side until golden brown. You pull it out and we'll show you what it looks like. It's sizzling, it's beautiful, it's golden brown. Golden on that side, golden on this side. Look at that, it's golden on that side as well. It's done. I'm gonna let the grease drip a little bit. Transfer it to paper towel. Add a little sprinkle of salt. And voila, pumpkin blossoms ready to go. So here we have it, a summer day in the Midwest. You pair one of these with some tomato, a roast near, or otherwise known as corn on the cob, and some cantaloupe and any other delicious vegetables that you pull out of your garden. I am home again, home again. Delicious treat, enjoy. I'm just gonna keep eating these. It's an August day in the Midwest. See you later. I'm just gonna keep eating them.